Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. You're watching HQ BMW. It's a beautiful day here in Calgary. We're off to the BMW gallery. We're gonna go check out Marty's new wrap that he's laying down on his 3 Series. We made it to the BMW gallery. They're closed due to the virus. They're just open part-time, and they're doing a lot of showings by coming to see you with cars. So if you're interested in getting a new car and you don't want to come to the dealership, give them a call. They'll get something set up for you to come by your place. But let's head inside, check out Marty's ride. Follow him on Instagram. He's been posting some teaser pics of the progress of the wrap, and I'm super excited to see it. I think the color is like primo. But let's get inside and show you guys. Think I love this color. It's bluey purple, and in pictures it just doesn't do it justice. You gotta see this color in person. It's excellent. So from the time lapse you guys have just seen, I helped him do the front bumper and then the rocker panel. He's doing it two-tone, so there's going to be the blue on both sides, the bluey purple, and then down the middle is matte black. What do you guys think? Drop a comment below. Do you like the two-tone, or do you think he should do the whole car in this color? It's really up to him, and I think I like the two-tone. It's different and unique, which I think is really great. And if he doesn't like it, or he ends up wanting to change it, it's simple. He'll be able to just rewrap the front bumper, the hood, the roof, and the trunk. Pretty simple. Easy to change if he doesn't like the two-tone. But I think the two-tone looks really good, and it suits his car perfectly. We're going to do this rocker, but then leave the fender and the front bumper section. He's just gonna do a bit of body work and fix that dent right there. And then there's just a little bit from when he purchased the car. It had this little bit of damage. So he's gonna fix that before he wraps this side. But ultimately there's the rocker, the fender, and the front bumper. Once those are done, we're gonna see this beaut running around Calgary. Rockers completed. Almost done. Like I said, he's got the front fender and bumper, a little bit of body work to do, and then he'll be pretty much wrapped up the car. Drop a comment. Let me know what you guys think. Go follow him at Marty2441 on Instagram. Follow the build. Give him some love. Drop him a comment. Let him know what you guys think of the car. Hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.